Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Canning is fun and economical. When your favorite produce is in season, it's much cheaper to buy them at a lower price and preserve them for the months to come. I make a lot of jams, either sweet or savory. And there's one that I enjoy making every year because I love it so much. Here it is. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my raspberry jam. This is my favorite berry, and I always make sure to have some jam on hand. It's so delicious to spread on a croissant in the morning, but can also be used as an ingredient for other recipes. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a large bowl, we'll add our raspberries, and using a potato masher, we'll lightly but evenly crush them. Now, let's move on to the stove. We'll transfer the mashed raspberries to a saucepan and set the heat to medium-high. We'll bring the berries to a boil and cook for 4 minutes. As they cook, the fruits will release their natural pectin. When time is up, we'll add granulated sugar and freshly squeezed lemon juice. We'll stir well, bring the mixture back to a boil, and cook for another 4 minutes, stirring constantly. A few minutes later, we'll do a test. So we'll plunge a spoon in a mixture that was sitting in an ice water bowl and then dry it off, and scoop up some jam. We'll let it cool up at room temperature, and if it sets up, the jam is ready. Mine was slightly on the liquid side, therefore I'll let it cook for another minute. When the consistency is reached, we'll remove from the heat and fill up our sterilized jars with a mixture, leaving about ½ inch of head space. I won't go into details about the canning procedure, therefore I highly suggest you click on the top right corner of your screen to learn more. Next, we'll process the jars by carefully placing them in a boiling water bath. When the water returns to a steady boil, we'll set our timer for 5 minutes. When time is up, we'll remove the jars from the water bath and place them on a wire rack in a draft-free area to cool off for 12 hours. And my friends, this is our raspberry jam. Easy to make. This condiment is so delicious when spread on toast, croissants, English muffins, and scones. I also use it to make sweet and savory sauces or as an ingredient for other recipes. If you enjoy raspberries as much as I do, this is definitely a recipe you have to make. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!